Well, good morning, YouTube, and welcome to beautiful Barnegat Lighthouse here at Barnegat Lighthouse State Park in Ocean County, New Jersey. It's a beautiful summer morning in the end of August, and the sun is rising. Let's check it out. Let's go for an adventure, guys. Let's see what we see. Gator out. So we're walking out along the jetty here and we're heading towards the ocean. I want to get up on the beach, but you can see that sun rising. Beautiful sight. A new day, a new beginning, a new hope, a chance to be a better person. That's why I like the sunrise. It represents a new beginning. On the beach now. There's a jetty goes out into the ocean, and this side is the beach, the other side is the inlet. Beautiful morning. Now for a guy like me, this is when the beach is my favorite time to be here. Not when it's packed with tourists, but when you have the natural element to it. Just loving it out here. Beautiful sight. Barnegat Lighthouse State Park. Here's a look at some of the beautiful dunes established on the beach here. So calm out here, so peaceful. It's refreshing for the soul. I love it. Going to start making my way back towards the lighthouse now. See if we can get some close-up shots. Technically, the parking lot's not open till 8 o'clock in the morning. We got here at about a little before 6. So I parked across the street. I want to check on my car too, make sure it's all right. Says the lighthouse was originally built in 1857 and it's 160 feet tall, 172 feet above sea level. Well, we've explored the ocean and the bay and the jetty. We've looked at the lighthouse. Now we're going to take a look at this extraordinarily unique environment called a maritime forest. It's a very short quarter-mile loop trail through the forest here, but this is a very rare ecosystem. About 99% of this habitat has been eliminated from the state of New Jersey. Let's check it out. When you go to the shore and you see all the development, all the houses and streets and everything, parking lots, people, just remember that hundreds and hundreds of years ago, the whole island, everything looked just like this. All right, guys. Well, my final thoughts here on Barnegat Lighthouse State Park. Absolutely beautiful place. The birds, the lighthouse, the water, the waves, the ocean, the plants, the forest here. It's amazing. Very happy I came here today. It was a nice change of scenery. This is the side of New Jersey I love. This is the part of the beach that puts a smile on my face. Absolutely beautiful place, beautiful adventure today. And what can I say? See you on the next adventure. Gator out.